In this video, we'll create new StoryNode chapters and link them in your story graph. Let's get started. From the top navigation, hover over Author Admin menu and click Dashboard. Find the story you want to work on and click Graph to see your story nodes. Think of story nodes like chapters in a traditional book. In our example, we have just one story node. To add a new story node chapter, double-click any empty spot on the graph. The Create New Story Node window opens. Give your story node a title, for example, Chapter 2, then click Save. Your new node appears exactly where you double-clicked. Let's link the story node chapters so readers can move forward. First, click Chapter 1. Then, hold Shift and click Chapter 2. The Create New Choice window opens. Leave choice text blank and click Save. You'll see an arrow from Chapter 1 to Chapter 2, which means readers can move from Chapter 1 to Chapter 2 when they click Next. Repeat the same steps to add Chapter 3 or as many chapters as you like. Double-click to create a new node and give it a title. Then click the node you want readers to come from. Hold Shift and click the node you want readers to go to. Click Save to create the link. Repeat these steps for each chapter story node you want to add. To write the chapter, right-click any story node and choose Edit Story Content. On the Edit Story Node screen, use Standard Content to write your text. Click Save, then Close. When you're ready, you can preview your story by clicking on Play. Click Next to go to the next story node chapter. Click Back to go to the previous story node chapter. Click Graph to return to the story graph. Let's insert a chapter between Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. Double-click any empty spot on the graph to create a new story node. Give it a title. Ours will be called Chapter 2 Interlude. Click Save. You should see the Chapter 2 Interlude story node appear where you double-clicked. Let's link everything up. Start by clicking the Chapter 2 story node. Hold Shift, then click Chapter 2 Interlude. In the Create New Choice screen, leave choice text blank and click Save. Next, click Chapter 2 Interlude. Hold Shift, then click Chapter 3. Leave choice text blank again and click Save. Since we're inserting the new story node chapter between Chapters 2 and 3, we need to remove the old link from Chapter 2 to Chapter 3. Right-click the arrow between them and choose Delete. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, click Save. You should now see Chapter 2 Interlude inserted between Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. If you want to delete a story node, right-click on the story node and choose Delete. Then click Save at the bottom of the screen. Nice work. You can now create new story node chapters, link them in your story graph, edit content, and preview your story like a reader.